Topographic maps. What is a topographic map? A topographic map shows the shape of the land by using contour lines. It shows how high and low the ground is in relation to sea level. A contour line is a line that connects places on a topographic map that are all at the same elevation. Elevation is the height above sea level. Contour lines never touch or cross. Here's an example. The contour line interval is the vertical distance between neighboring contour lines. Here on this diagram you see the numbers. The distance from this line to this line will be our contour line interval. Index contour lines are darker in color, wider, and gives you the elevation than regular contour lines. So these lines here that you see that are darker and wider with a number, those are your interval lines or your index contour lines. The scale and interval are usually found in the margin of a map. So when you look at a contour lines on a topographic map, you're going to see a scale and interval in the corner, and that usually tells you the interval, the distance between each line, so you can be able to tell how far it is from one landform to the next. Colors on a topographic map. Each color has a specific meaning. Blue are water, streams and lakes. Green tells you woodland areas. Red are your important roads. Black, the man-made works, buildings, railroads. They may be solid or dotted lines. And brown are your contour lines. Here's a picture. Let's go back. This is a topographic map of Raccoon Strait. And this is the satellite view of the same landform. Rules and facts about contour lines that are necessary to know to be able to read a topographic map. Where a contour line crosses a stream or valley, the contour line bends to form a V that points upstream. So if you see these lines, as soon as it hits this blue, they bend backwards and you see it makes a V shape, and it tells you where the water flows. They point in the opposite direction as the water flows. Contour lines near the top of a hill form closed circular shapes. The top of the hill is higher than the highest closed contour line. What that means is, in this picture you see a side view and an aerial or top view. Okay, this is your closed circular contour line here. When you look at it from the side, this is the same line. There's more land past that line, so the height of this landform is going to be a little bit more than whatever this number is. Contour lines are widely spaced on gentle slopes or flat land, and contour lines are closely spaced on steep slopes. So here, this area is flatter than this area. This would be very steep and hard to climb. A depression, such as the inside of a dead volcano, is represented by Hatcher lines. Hatcher lines are regular contour lines with small segments sticking out from it. So here are Hatcher lines. This tells me there's a depression such as a dead volcano in this area. Contour lines eventually will make a closed loop. This closure may be on the map or beyond its margins, since contour lines connect features of the same elevation. Now let's see what you know. You will have an assignment to do that will be posted in your Google Classroom.